Okay, now I'm going to talk about the market stall frame. These are requirements from the SBB. You must design a frame for a freestanding stall that will be suitable for adding a skirt and canopy. Produce a drawing of the frame. It must be created using drawing tools, be 3D, show the dimensions, include a tabletop for displaying produce. Okay, so what we're going to end up with is a whole market stall like this, and this is in two parts. This is the actual frame. This is what it's going to look like. Your market stall is two products. It's a frame and it's the skirt and canopy. This is the frame. This is what we need to end up with. Okay, so I'm going to start from scratch. Now I'm going to keep this guy in here just to give a sense of scale. So I'm going to start with just zooming out a bit, just moving that over. And all I'm going to do is grab myself a box like that, put that next to him, and I'm just going to raise that up like that. Just flip it on its side like that, just see, maybe a bit higher. Okay, that's about the right size. It's sort of an average height guy. That's the kind of size I need to be with that, the height. It's a bit too wide, so I need to use this tool here, push-pull tool, to bring it in. I need to bring it in there like that. And as I do this, what I need to do is take screenshots with the use of these tools. So print screen that, and I open myself PowerPoint. The easiest way to do this is you go open PowerPoint, blank presentation, layout, blank, and then paste those screenshots in as you go. Don't worry about the too big and shrink them down later, but just do it as you go. Push pull tool there I've used, okay, and use that to raise that, and I've also used the shape tool as well. So there are two tools there I should have screenshotted. Now I've got myself a box. Now what I want to do is I want to just flip it on its side like that, get myself a pencil, find the midpoint, draw a line up, draw a line across there. Again, a screenshot of this would be really useful, please. Okay, draw it like that. And what I'm going to do is make myself a roof. I'm going to select this line here. I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to flip it around like this. And use a push-pull tool again to bring it to the edge there, on edge. Screenshot that. Can't have too many screenshots for this, it's really important. Right, I've got myself a box with a roof now. Okay, I need to make it into a frame. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the line tool again and draw a line across like that, an edge, and I'm going to go across like that. Take that point there, draw it down. Okay, I'm just going to click on that, delete, or you could use the erase tool again. I'll probably just click on it and press delete, is easier. Like that, delete that bit. I need to delete the roof as well, okay, because it is just literally a frame. Deleted too much there. Undo. I want to get rid of that bit there. Just going to zoom that in, delete that side there, okay. Because I need to make myself a tabletop. So what I'm going to do now is draw another line across here like that, and yes, that happens, that's fine. Delete that, okay. And I'm going to make myself my tabletop there for displaying my produce. Draw a line across there to the edge. Okay, now I've got my tabletop. Draw a line down there, and I can just delete this side bit. I'm going to delete that line as well. Delete that line, delete that, delete that. Okay, and I've got myself a frame and a tabletop there. Okay. Looks like it's slightly wider on one side, so if you do that, don't worry, that's absolutely fine. Show it. Okay, I just need to delete that there, but screenshot this as part of your design process. It's really good. Okay, and I'll draw another line down there like that. Try and even that up a bit. Okay. And if that happens again, just delete that. That's absolutely fine. So I've got my basic frame now. That's a bit better there. I haven't got that wonky edge there. Okay. So now I'm going to add my dimensions. I go to Tools and select Dimensions. Okay. Endpoint to endpoint. Bring that out a bit. That's 2.80 meters. Great. Okay. Tools, Dimensions. Again, I want to measure the height of it. 1.99 meters. Brilliant. Tools, Dimensions, and now I might measure the width of it. So I'll just flip it round. So I've got X, Y, and Z axis. Tools, Dimensions again. I go from there to there. Okay, like that, and just try and select it like that. Okay. Okay. Let's try that again. Sorry. Tools, Dimensions. Okay. There to there. Bring that out. That's better. Okay. It wants to be down like that. So if I just look back at the requirements that I had for that, using drawing tools, yes. 3D, yes, it's 3D. Show the dimensions, yes, I've done that. Tabletop for displaying produce, yes, I've done that. At this point, I should have about 10 screenshots of this process. You cannot have too many screenshots. Crop them and write them up later. Okay, but as part of the design log, you need about 10 screenshots for that. Okay, so that is how you create your basic frame.